So how's it going? I got give a 4-year review. I believe it's 4 years that I've had this thing. My Keter portable workbench. Now it's the 700-pound version. Not sure of the model number. I shall look it up, put it like right here, around right there, you know. So anyway, 700-pound version. No, most of them are 1,000 pounds they can hold. This one is 700 because if you look at the bottom of the legs, they are adjustable. They can extend out. So I just get tabs here and do each one. And it just got taller. And the height, its full extension, is 33.5 inches. And then its height at half extension, 31.5 inches. And its height at its shortest extension is 29.5 inches. And don't feel bad about the shortness. I'm sure you'll find someone. Now when it's fully locked in, that pops up. Doesn't always for me anymore. It did that before I painted it, just to let you know. But doesn't always for me. You got to kind of play with that a little bit. But when you've had it long enough, you know when it's locked. Comes with 2 clamps, one on each side. It used to say Keter on it, and I gotta knock that rust off, but because I seem to have forgotten it outside for a little while. It's well abused also. Anyway, but the clamps are decent and they fit right in the top. So what you do is you extend it out a little bit. Put it in the slot there, and then you have a working clamp. Yeah, man. There we go. You have a working clamp to help you bring things there. Hold things down on the table. You have one here, one over here. I know some of the Keter tables have other types of clamps. Mine came with only these 2. And when you set the clamp to go back into the table, you have to extend it out a tiny bit and bring the other side in. Then you can put it down under the table. And you look at it, see where it goes, put in the metal end first, and the plastic end will drop in. Now to close it up, you'll see in the middle there, right here in the middle, this is the support that becomes the handle for it. Whatever part that the actual handle is on, because you'll feel it, it's not right here, so it's on the other side. You push it down, that support will collapse. And then on each side, that part right there, push that one in, and then that one. And then you bring the second level up to the first level. It'll should lock. As you see right here. Let me see if it's in the frame. Yep. Another one at the bottom. Now see, that will flop around after a while, but what are you gonna do? And the legs fold right into here. They're okay at staying under there. But yeah, they're okay. Mine isn't, at least. But on the other side, here's that handle I was talking about. And just grab it by the handle, or either side, either end of the workbench has a built-in handle. Or if you're traveling a long distance with it, I usually grab it by this handle over here because the whole thing is shorter, because I'm 6'1", and it's not far from the ground when I grab it. So I grab it. There's plenty of room for it to drop down without dragging. And it's very portable, as you can see. Alright, lengthwise folded, it is about 33 inches. Tall, 21.5. And deep, 4.5. Kind of like right here between my toolbox and workbench. It will easily fit there. Up and out of the way. And then to extend it out, I'll show you real quick. It's real easy. These red tabs, you'll have to push them. Hold it by the red handles. Pull the tabs at your side. This part that was the handle, bring it up, and there you go. Now it is fully locked. The sides, middle. Supposed to hold 700 pounds. Never tried it, but what are you gonna do? It does seem strong, and I like it a lot. If you need a portable workbench, this is definitely a good option. A lot of people love them, and they have a reason to. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.